Hey guys, if you've accidentally deleted the App Store from your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how we can get back the missing App Store. So the first thing you want to do is just go and swipe down on your iPhone, and that's going to bring up this search box. Now, sometimes we may have just deleted it from the home screen, but it's still actually on our device. So you can use the search box here to go and search for App Store. And if you see it in this list, we can just hold down on the application like so, and then click on Add to Home Screen. And just like that, it's going to reappear on your home screen. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work for you, then what you'll need to do is open up the settings application on your phone, scroll down to screen time and click on this, then scroll down again and click on content and privacy restrictions, and make sure that content and privacy restrictions is turned off and disabled. And once you've disabled this, you can head back over to your phone and you should now be able to see your App Store. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.